comfrey roots. And when I bought the comfrey for our property, 90% of it came in pieces of comfrey root that were that big. All you gotta do is stick that little piece of comfrey root in the ground and you'll have a new comfrey plant. Super easy to do, that's all you need to do. And if you use your shears, thank you, assistant, you can cut these into small pieces. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new comfrey plants. And the one I just dug up, which actually I could just rip that one I just dug up in half and put it in 2 different spots, and I'm gonna end up with 8 new comfrey plants from that one small one.
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going. And right next to, right there, yeah.
We got these comfrey roots we're gonna put in. Super simple. What you're gonna do is drill a hole. Hold on, Ferris, can you show? Can you show them what you have in your hand? Show them the camera what you have in your hand.
You
Comfrey root.
dig a hole and you need a piece of comfrey root like this small to just put it in, and that grows some comfrey.
Show us. You step on it?
No.
More over here. One more step. Yep. We're gonna have more comfrey.
Yeah.
We know what to do with.
We already have a lot.